BJP's crucial meet to decide on its strategy over FDI has ended. BJP is adamant on having a voting debate on the issue of FDI. They are not willing to budge from their stand. They say that a discussion on FDI has to take place under Rule 184, which will entail a voting. The government, remember, held an all-party meeting yesterday to try and convince the other people to have a discussion under 193, which does not entail voting. Senior editor Javed Ansari is still with us. Javed, it's pretty much clear now that the parliament is not likely to function smoothly because A. Venkaiah Naidu has moved for a suspension of question R in Rajya Sabha, and B, after the BJP meeting now, they are still stuck to their old stand.
Well, absolutely, and which means it just bears out what Nietzsche was saying and what I have been saying, that the battle lines are drawn, and at this moment of time there is no meeting ground. Until that happens, Parliament, I'm afraid, will continue to, the stalemate in Parliament will continue, and there will be no business transacted. Tomorrow is a holiday which just leaves Thursday and Friday. Who knows if the presiding officers decide to deliver their decision and for a discussion under some other rule, then maybe we might have something. Otherwise, till the government can muster up its numbers, which doesn't seem to be happening anytime soon, this stalemate is likely to continue.
Atish Srivastava, our associate editor, is also with us on the phone line. Atish, what was the stand taken by various leaders at that meeting, and who was the one who actually helped get this cohesive strategy of the BJP together today?
Well, BJP is of the view that there is no going back on the strategy which they formulated. They will still continue to press upon a debate which leads to voting under Rule 184. They don't want to leave this opportunity. They sense a great political opportunity in this entire game plan which BJP has formulated, because they know that they can gauge a situation, they can gauge other parties' positioning as well, and they don't want to leave it. The all-party meeting, no matter how hard Congress and UPA want to convince them, but they have not been convinced, they will still continue with their demand of 184. So we can expect yet another round of ruckus in the parliament.
Let me go back to our senior editor, Javed Ansari. Javed, why is the government shying away from voting if it pretty much has convinced the Samajwadi Party and the BSP on the issue?
Look, it's abundantly clear that DMK does, both DMK and Samajwadi Party have severe reservations when it comes to on the FDI issue. They would not like to vote. If it comes to a vote, then they will have to vote against the government, which they don't want to do. It would, the DMK is a part of the UPA. Samajwadi Party is supporting it. None of these parties want to precipitate a crisis for the government, and therefore they have suggested that try and ensure a situation where there is a debate but there is no vote. The government obviously, if these two parties decide to, it will be a very unenviable. Government wants to avoid the embarrassment of these two parties actually walking out in protest. And although if they do that and if they abstain, the majority mark will come down, and that indirectly help the government, but that will still be an embarrassment, and that is something which the government wants to avoid.
So clearly no end in sight to the logjam that we've been seeing in Parliament in the winter session. Many thanks Javed Ansari, Neerja Chaudhary and Atish Srivastava for joining us.
सरकार को संसद चलाने के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने कहा है कि 184 के अंतर्गत डिबेट कीजिए, और इससे कम पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी राजी नहीं है। हम संसदीय दल में अन्य विषयों पर भी चर्चा हुई। हमारे जो दिवंगत कई नेता हैं उनके लिए मौन रखा गया, और सांसदों को अडवाणी जी ने, सुषमा जी ने कहा कि हम 184 पर एफडीआई रिटेल सेक्टर में बहस कराएंगे, और सरकार जब तक 184 पे डिबेट के लिए तैयार नहीं होती तो वो संसद न चलने देने की जिम्मेदार सरकार मानी जाएगी। जिस तरह से चर्चा हुई कि किस तरह वॉलमार्ट को लाने के लिए वॉलमार्ट से रिश्वत मांगी गई है, इस बारे में भी चर्चा हुई। इन सब विषयों पर चर्चा के बाद ये मन बना कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी, एनडीए और अन्य विपक्षी दल जो ये चाह रहे हैं कि 184 में ही चर्चा हो, उससे सरकार भागे नहीं और संसद को सुचारू रूप से चलाए, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की और विपक्ष की इच्छा है।
गडकरी जी आए थे आज, रामलाल जी भी आए थे, यशवंत सिन्हा जी भी थे, क्या पार्टी संगठन पर कोई चर्चा हुई?
नहीं,
गडकरी जी आने का कुछ खास उद्देश्य था इसमें?
देखिए, गंगा जल आप जानते हैं कि अविरल निर्मल गंगा हो, इसके लिए एक अभियान चल रहा है। 2 दिसंबर को ह्यूमन चेन बनेगा और उसके लिए जो गंगा के तट पे सांसद हैं उनसे अपील की गई कि वो उस ह्यूमन चेन के मानव दीवार के हिस्सा बने।
सिर्फ जेठमलानी के खिलाफ बीजेपी ने एक्शन लिया है, लेकिन शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा की ओर छोड़ दिया है, आपका नहीं कि गलती उन्होंने वही की।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आप सब हमारे साथ संसद चलें। उस बारे में जो भी प्रक्रिया थी वो 2 दिन मैंने बताई आपको, कल अनंत कुमार जी ने बताई है और प्रक्रिया जारी है।